Today I realized I had all these mushrooms in the fridge and I needed to make something. So I decided to make these delicious black bean and mushroom tacos. So first I'm going to cut up my small white onion. Did you know if you pour a little bit of water under and on the onion, then your eyes won't burn while you're cutting? Because the chemical that makes your eyes burn is attracted to moisture. So if you get it, that's why I did that anyways. So chop up the onion, chop up a jalapeno. I like to chop them nice and thin. And then I took 1 case of mushrooms. I broke them up and put them in the bowl with the jalapenos and onions. And then I marinated it with some liquid smoke and soy sauce and some freshly grated ginger. Actually, it wasn't fresh, my bad, it was from a jar. Mix that up, and I just set it for like 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna heat my skillet with a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna dump the whole thing right in there. Then I squirted some fresh orange juice into the pan as well. And stir, of course. Then I added paprika, turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. The smell is just delicious. And then I added some water. You can use vegetable broth as well. And then I just sauteed it for about 5 minutes. And that's it. I got my little flour tortillas and black beans. And I put my sauteed mushroom mixture on top. So delicious. Perfect. Maybe add a little guacamole if you have some. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Follow me for more recipes. I'm going to have the full recipe with proper instructions and measurements in the description. My blog is anyreasonvegans.com.